What is up, people? Hope you guys are keeping well. Today we're jumping into some proofs. So much fun. So what I'm going to do is we're going to be deriving the four formulas, these four, which are all from the what's this thing? Present value, future value of the annuities in advance and in arrears. So all four of these, I'm going to be deriving them from first principles. I'm not using any summations and stuff. This is the simplest one I learned. Yeah, so I don't have anything to say, but I'm just going to jump into it. If you want, you'll skip forward and just screenshot, do whatever you need, whatever's most effective. Cool, let's get into it. And you'll see that out of these four proofs, there's two of them that follow a very similar method, and then the other two also follow practically the same method. So you can make that connection for yourself, makes it a lot easier to remember. And if you're just skipping through this video, just check out what I'm talking about at the end of this video. I think it's quite important. Enjoy. Yo, so for anyone that's actually watching, I realized that this line was a bit of a jump, so I thought I'd quickly just slow down and explain what's actually happening here. So over here, I'm multiplying by 1 plus I. Remember, that's basically the inverse of v. V is equal to 1 over 1 plus I. So if I multiply by 1 plus I could rewrite this right here like this. I could say 1 plus I. And we're multiplying this whole thing by 1 plus I. So you can see how now, let's use red. This would cancel with this, that would cancel with one of these, so it would just make this 1, and then you can see how this comes about.
So here, this would be plus b to 3, put it that way, these two cancel. Which reasons?
I thought now would be an appropriate time to just bring these four relationships back up again. So now you should be pretty comfortable with first principles. All these four proofs, the first line was just me writing out the formula in first principles, like this one, that one, which we've already covered in previous videos, but hopefully you're now more comfortable with that. I'll show you what you mean. Let me do the first one. You can see, so an first principles, so it'll be v plus v, so plus v3 plus 1 to 3 plus n, and in advanced principles, first principles. Right, so if we go to the first line and we take out v as a common factor, then we'll just go this one. We can go v1 plus v plus v squared plus. So now what we've got, this line, let's just rewrite this. Right, got that. So now over v is equals to 1 plus v. However, this, so why is that a plus? That's a minus. Minus 1. And as I was saying, this is equals to this. Therefore, we can just write it like this. And then this implies that an times by v. And if we check, hey, that's exactly what we said here. This first one. Cool, thanks. Enjoy, keep well.